Bye.
Hi guys, and welcome back to a new vlog. I hope that you're doing well. The weather today is just insane. It is now the most beautiful looking day outside, but literally 20 minutes ago it started snowing. Nothing settled. They were the smallest little snowflakes I've ever seen, but now the sky is very, very blue and looks beautiful. It looks like if I were to go out there it would be a sweltering hot day, but I am not being mistaken. I know it's going to be freezing. But anyway, mission for today is to tidy my wardrobe. Now, I think I showed you in the last vlog, the wardrobe is a hot mess. I feel like I've got way too many clothes. I need to get rid of them, and I just need to be harsh and not think like, oh well, I might wear this one time on holiday in 2 years. No, they are getting cut out. I'm basically going to take them all out, everything out of the drawers, everything off the rails, give the whole thing a deep clean. And yeah, I'm going to be really like harsh on what I'm getting rid of, but of course I'm not just throwing them away. I'm going to be donating them to clothes banks. Charity shops aren't open quite yet, so clothes banks will be my go-to. I think we'll be able to donate some really good stuff. Oh my god, I'm throwing so much stuff away, which is good. I've got these like cushions and stuff underneath the bed in these storage packs. So these actually, I did a video like this like a year ago, but they're vacuum storage bags. I got them from eBay or Amazon. I think they're about like £10-15 for like 20 of them or something, I'm not sure, or like 10 of them. Anyway, you put whatever you want in the bag, you unscrew this part, you vacuum it so it sucks all the air out, and then you reseal it, and it's got like a rubber seal and stuff, so it keeps them suctioned. Like this one that's been in here has been in here like for, I don't know, 6 months or so, and obviously none of the air has come out. Some of them, sometimes they do start to creep back up as the air gets in, but just make sure that you seal them really, really tightly. But yeah, it's actually really easy to do. There we go. So now it's all like super slim and skinny. So just because I haven't done these in like 6 months or so, I'm gonna actually open them all up, because I think a lot of the clothes in these can go to clothes bins. So I'm just gonna open them all up, see what's happening, take some of them out, and then reseal the rest of them. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I started this today. I already feel so much like clearer in my mind. This is currently what the underneath of the bed looks like. I should have done it before. I'm so silly. I should have done a proper before, but this is what it looks like. So this, believe it or not, it's actually sorted. So now this is all the extra room that I've got. To be fair, I need to kind of like put those into the suction bags and then store them underneath here. But these are some cushions that I don't want to get rid of because I love them. Some jumpers that I won't wear till next year, but I love them, so I don't want to get rid. My bikinis, an extra bit of bedding, some like document stuff that we have, and then this is actually all just plastic and empty, so if I need that I can use it. And then these are all clothes that need to be sorted. I'm gonna now take these down. I think I'm gonna have to be quite strict because I've just got so many cushions. I need to kind of like, I'm going to choose my favourites, and then I'm going to put the rest of them out to my friends and say like, does anyone want these cushions, and just let them have them with the inserts and everything, because it's the inserts that like take up so much room. As we make it down the stairs, you will start to see a lot of like clothes and stuff that I've literally just chucked them over the banisters, because these, I'm going to put them into my car, and then I'm gonna either put them into the clothes banks. If they can go in the clothes banks, I need to put them all into bags, and then if not, then I will be keeping them until charity shops open. My next mission I think is to suction these, put them in here, then see how much room that we're really working with, and then after that I can take all of the extra cushions off, and then we can move on to the clothes.
Afraid, emotions getting in your way. Afraid, but why? million miles from you. So I'm gonna let you go. Oh boy, if you only knew.
A little update, I've managed to fill under the bed. This doesn't look as tidy as it did before, and I'm a bit upset about it, to be honest, but this is like the bare minimum of what we're keeping. The rest of it is like my day-to-day handbags, so at least now I have somewhere that I can go and get my handbags. They're not cluttering the top of the wardrobe anymore. I have not seen the wardrobe like this for like literally since we lived in this house. I have not seen the wardrobe that clear on top, so we are going to keep it that way. We're going to keep it very, very clear. Now it's time to move on to the clothes. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to pop the bed down. I'm actually really grateful that we've got an ottoman bed, because oh what was that? Oh god, I'm not even going to lift it up. I don't even want to know. But yeah, I'm really grateful that we've got an ottoman bed, because now I'm going to put all of the clothes onto the bed, and then I'm going to leave Rob's side because his side is pretty much okay. I'm going to ask him like in the evening just to quickly rifle through, see if there's anything he wants to get rid of. But for my side in particular, I know that there's going to be a lot that I need to bag up and get rid of. So I'm going to go downstairs and get some black bags. I'm currently at this stage. My wardrobe looks like this. I've been sneezing so much. The dust, I don't think I haven't cleaned my closet out in like months, but you think, I literally do this like every so often. I'll lift all my clothes up and I'll dust down here, but you don't realise how much like trapped dust there just is. Quite happy with the progress that I have been making. So what I'm going to do now is just take my little concoction. I've got this bottle from Amazon. I will link them down below for you. Like, oh, that smells so good. I've got Zoflora. I've got a mix of water and Zoflora Midnight Blooms. My favourite scent of the Zofloras. It's the one that smells like Alien by Thierry Mugler. I think that's how you pronounce it, but it's basically a perfume, but it smells like that. So obviously very fitting for my little wardrobe space. I'm just going to give everything like a wipe down, like even all the way up to here, because there's just dust trapped. I feel like this has made such a difference already. And I'm also going to try to get up to the top. I need like some sort of footstool once I've put everything back. I'm going to try and get at the top of the wardrobe to wipe that down as well. But yeah, now that that's wiped down, I'm going to start putting the clothes back in. I'm going to move on to the drawers. I have chucked away quite a lot already. I'm going to hang all of these back up in there. Then we'll kind of see how much space we're working with. Then I'm going to go through the drawers.
5 hours later.
I have been tidying for 5 hours now, but I am so happy that I started this today. Like, I cannot explain to you. If you are sat at home and you are wondering, should I sort out my wardrobe? What should I do? Just get up and do it, because you will feel so good. Like, this room, I feel like it's just a breath of fresh air now. Anyway, so let me update you with what everything looks like. Underneath the bed, it still looks pretty much the same. All the handbags are underneath the bed. Then we've got extra cushions and stuff, and I've really pared it back. The bed currently looks so delicious. Cannot wait to get into this now. I have also managed to just give a dusting down to the curtains. I've dusted down the blinds as well, and then you won't be able to really see anything here, but I've managed to pull out like it was really difficult, but I've pulled out the bedside tables, got right behind there with the hoover and the disinfectant, and like cleaned everything down, got as far behind the bed as I possibly could. And that just makes me happy, because I know that like we're not going to be breathing in dust that's like settled behind the bedside tables. My clothes, I'm currently like, I've got a lot of winter clothes out here. Like in the UK, we just kind of like have to have clothes like this on guard just in case. I've got my coats, and then I've got jumpers and hoodies, then some tops. I've managed to pare back a lot of t-shirts and stuff. So can you see how minimal this is in this drawer? This drawer was full up to here, barely able to close right up to the glass earlier. I've then also got some gym wear, dresses, and then some I don't really know what these are. Oh, like leggings and DIY clothes. And then the bottom one, well, the second to last one, is all my jeans. I really tried. I think I've got about 15 pairs of jeans there, and I know it sounds ridiculous, like who needs 15 pairs of jeans, but I genuinely know the last time that I wore all of these jeans, and I do regularly like switch them up and wear them all the time. They're all different shades of blue. They've got rips in, they've got not rips in, they're boy cut, they're mum jeans, they're cropped, everything. So they're all just like different styles. And then I've got all of my cycling shorts in the other one. So yeah, and then the bottom one is just kind of like undies and stuff. Rob's side hasn't been done yet, so there's a little bit of kind of like stuff that he needs to sort out. But oh my gosh, I cannot believe it. I can't believe that we did it. I'm going to show you what is downstairs now, because the amount of clothes downstairs is terrifying. Like, I didn't know that I had all of this junk essentially that I needed to get rid of. So let me go show you how much stuff's downstairs. So coming down the stairs, these are all the bags that we've got. So I don't think you can really see in relation to how big these are compared to my hand, but these are like the extra large bin liners, and we've managed to get like 1, 2, 3, 4 of them with some extra little bits on the side. Essentially 5 bags worth of stuff that was all cooped up in the bedroom, didn't need to be in my life anymore, so we're saying adios. Right now it's currently 6:30. I'm probably gonna put all of those in my bag and just take some extra bin liners with me just in case, and then pop them into a clothes bin. They're usually really full. I don't know if they've been collecting them as regularly. I'll have a little drive around and see which ones I can put them into. If I don't manage to find one, then I'll just keep them till the charity shop's open, and the charity shops can do what they want with them. But yeah, I'm gonna go and drive and drop those off now. Anyway, this was a bit of a random vlog, a bit of a kind of like just spend the day with me. I knew that I would needed to do this, so I hope that it satisfied your cleaning cravings and maybe has motivated you to do something this week that you've been putting off for ages. What I would especially recommend are those vacuum bags. I will put a link in the description box. So I'm going to dump those at the clothes bin, come back, have a bath, and then tomorrow I will start a new vlog. So I will see you then. Take care, guys. Bye. Mwah.